Custom painting your Harley-Davidson. What not to do. If you're thinking about painting your Harley, this video may save you thousands of dollars and possibly save you from owning a bike that nobody wants to buy later. After decades in this business, I can tell you something most people don't want to hear. Just because you can do something in custom paint doesn't mean you should. Today I want to talk about what not to do when painting your Harley, why stock paint is often the smartest option, and if you do go custom, how to do it in a way that still makes sense. This comes from real shop experience. Not theory, not trends, real world buying, selling, trading, and customer reactions. The biggest mistake I see with custom paint is just going too far with it. Airbrush pictures of children and wives, girlfriends, family portraits, cartoon characters, comic book art, neon greens, pinks, yellows, wild color blends, and heavy graphics. Most buyers don't want to ride around with another man's kid on the tank. They don't want your wife's face between their knees. It limits your buyer pool to almost nothing. Paint doesn't add value. Let me repeat that. Paint does not add value. Custom paint is personalization expense, not an investment. A buyer looks at wild paint and thinks to himself, how much is this going to cost me to repaint this bike? Harley-Davidson factory paint is extremely good. Consistency, durability, clear coat quality, color matching, long-term aging. Stock paint creates trust. Trust equals value. Solid colors, metallics, pearls, subtle fades, clean layouts. No portraits, no cartoons. No shocking colors. A primary color, a secondary color, and an accent color. That's all you need. That's it. Simple always ages better. The best paint jobs don't scream at you. They whisper to you. They reward a second glance. The best bikes out there generally have stock or stock style paint with true craftsmanship and custom work done to the rest of the bike. Clean wiring, well thought out engine builds, quality suspension, proper stance. Those things sell bikes. Paint doesn't. There's nothing wrong with expressing yourself. Nothing wrong with custom paint. But understand the consequences. The bikes people remember the longest are rarely the loudest ones. They're the ones that simply look right. So, as usual, I really appreciate you watching. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe button. If you don't, thanks for watching anyway, because I know you got this far in the video. I'm always here at the shop, usually. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to email me or call on the phone. If you're within 100 miles, come on by one day. You know, if you have something you want done, come on by and see the shop, talk to us. We're just regular dudes. So, I'm Steve Carr, and I'll talk to you later.